So I've been trying to find a way to get my phone screen mirrored to a larger display, and it proved to be much more difficult than I expected. What I ended up trying first was, since I have a Google Pixel, I thought a Chromecast should work for sure. But oftentimes I'm traveling or whatever the case may be, I don't have a Wi-Fi network that my Chromecast and my phone can both be connected to. Of course I have mobile data, so I might want to be watching something on a bigger screen, but it turns out that the Chromecast will only work if it absolutely always is connected to internet with Wi-Fi, which is not always available. So I had to look for another solution, and after lots of digging, I finally found a solution. The solution that I finally found, I was able to get working because I have a Linux computer, so I'm not sure if it will work on Windows or Mac or not, but what it's using is a program called SCRCPY, and what this program does is it taps into the ADB Android debugger, which is often used in developing Android apps. So the way that SCRCPY works is it taps into ADB, and so what I had to do was go in and enable in the developer options USB debugging, and so through that it's actually able to send the display over USB, which I haven't found any other good way to do. A lot of phones don't support the alt mode to send HDMI over USB yet, and so using ADB with USB debugging seems to be a way that will work for Android devices to get the display over the USB. But as you can see, with this program running, USB debugging, I actually am able to mirror my screen over here, and it'll even, if I turn it sideways, we can get it there. So this is good enough for me, and now I can watch things on a bigger screen. If I really wanted to, I could actually still, of course, plug in another bigger monitor or something in with HDMI to my laptop, and then move this or mirror my laptop screen. So it might have some dual mirroring going on here, but this is a way to make it happen. All right, so from the phone to my computer up to the big screen. I'm really excited about this because as a single person in an area where internet is expensive, I would like to just use my phone as, if I can get an unlimited data plan, that would be great, but usually hotspotting or USB tethering to a computer is restricted in some capacity. So this will allow me to use my mobile data, but still be able to watch videos and stream on a reasonable size screen. So in my particular case, this setup will save me about $50 a month, which is not too shabby.